Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to be practicing on how to write the letter C. So on the left side, we have capital C, or you can call it big C. And on the right side, we have lowercase c, or you can call it little c. So let's get started on how to write capital C first. So for capital C, Miss T has a little trick on how to show you how to make that. So we're going to start off by making two dots. I'm going to make a dot here and then a dot below. And with these two dots, I'm going to be able to make the letter C. So I want you to watch closely, okay? So I'm going to start off with my first dot, and I'm going to make a curved line going all the way around until I get to my second dot. And here I have capital C. Now I want you guys to try it with me this time. We're going to make two dots. We're going to make our dot right here, and then we're going to make a dot below it. And with these two dots, we're going to be able to make that letter C. So we're going to start off with our first dot. We're going to make a curved line going all the way around until we get to our second dot. And here we have capital C once again. Nice job, friends. So now we're going to make lowercase c. And for lowercase c, we're going to still make our two dots, but the only difference is that our dots are going to be a little bit close to one another. And that's because lowercase c is smaller than capital C. So our dots have to be closer so we can make a smaller C. But the process is still going to be the same. So we're going to start off with our top dot. We're going to make a curved line going all the way around until we get to our second dot. And here we have lowercase c. Nice job, friends. Let's go ahead and do that one more time together. Let's start off by making our two dots. And remember, let's keep our dots close. And we're going to start off with our first dot. And we're going to make a curved line going all the way down until we get to our second dot. Nice job, friends. And here we have lowercase c. Now, Miss T has a challenge for you guys to do at home. I want you to write capital C and then also lowercase c after watching this video. And once you get better at writing the letter C, guess what? You don't have to use your dots anymore. But I am very proud of you guys for learning on how to write capital and lowercase c. All right, friends, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.